This is a 3.5mm stereo 4-pole microphone headphone jack adapter. You can insert your microphone here, you can insert your headphone here. This is the 4-pole jack adapter. It has a diameter of 3.5mm or 1/8 of an inch. Its length is 14mm. The plastic plug has a diameter of 6.6mm. This is a 4-pole connector, tip, ring, sleeve, audio left, audio right, ground and microphone. This plug can be inserted in an iPhone or an iMac or on smartphones, which supports a 4-pole adapter. The inner diameter of these connectors are 3.5mm. 3.5mm. You can insert a standard headphone or a standard microphone. The two female connectors only accept 3.5mm 3-pole jack adapters. You can also connect a standard microphone, a 3-pole microphone. The headphone only accepts a standard 3-pole TRS connector, like this one. The tip is audio left, the ring is audio right, and the sleeve is the ground. This headphone connector only accepts a 3-pole TRS connector. So this 4-pole headphone set will not work. So here's the adapter. I'm going to attach it to a iPhone 6s. The iPhone 6s is inside a case. As you can see, it fits in easily.